guys!
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa swimming pool ni sa resort ni Teo Carlos. Carlitos Resort. Sana all.
She was afraid to come out of the locker. She wasn't nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would say
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you want.
Guys, si Kayla kadadating pa lang, swimming agad.
She wore for the first time today, and it's ABC teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the locker she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
She was afraid to come out in the open, so a blanket around she wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, so she sat by the lamp on the shore.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you want.
It was a itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time.
Iihaw si Tio Arlo. Tio Arlo, anong iihaw mo dyan? Iihaw si Kaloy. Kaloy, anong iihaw mo dyan?
Bangos eh.
Bangus, tsaka ang sarap niyan. Ano, taluluto natin ng inihaw na barbecue ay si Kaloy. From US pa yan. Dumayo pa dito ng pag-iihaw.
Yes.
Huh? Sino?
Hotdog! Kabayan?
Chow na pa. Ano. Chef Wendy.
Kaloy!
Hi guys!
Hi guys, hi Ellie! Hi Ellie! From the locker to the blanket,
Locker to the blanket,
from the blanket to the shore,
from the blanket to the shore,
from the shore to the water.
someone took the water, guess there isn't anymore.
Po ang siblings ng Desengaño. Yan po. Kompleto po sila. After 10 years, kompleto. Next year ulit.
Baby frozen tears, it was hard through the years. I never gave up, neither one of my dreams. Within inside is my when I'm in love, it will be so better. I give you my heart forever and ever.
Lunch time na po. Daming pagkain ng Daklan. Daming pagkain, no?
May ilagay sa plato yan.
Busog kaya? Busog? Ang daming pagkain ng nanay. Yung anak niyo. Sarap, fresh na fresh. Yung pakwan.
I'm dying for you. Baby, now I'm alone and I try to be strong, but my baby, I cry silent tears without pride, and I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing the fool. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. Don't
Magkano ang fishball? Magkano ang fishball? Sino ang nagtitinda ng fishball dito? Si Ha. Ayan, fishball pa dito. Nag-sideline ka pa dito, Isi, ha? Fishball. Magkano ang fishball?
20 isa.
Yayaman si mama niyan. Mahal.
Ginto.
Bisa. Fishball mo na ng daklan.
lose your smile, and if I ever lose your heart.
Anong tinda? Maluto na yata. Lumpia. Ayan o, jalapeno. Ano, ayos?
Luto na yan. Oh, pasay na. Hindi mo.
From heaven, girl, it's true.
Ma.
Ito muna.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie.
Ma. Ma.
Ano maganda? Buti naman nagkaroon na ako bago
Alright guys, nagpapack up ng daklan. Tapos na yung swimming. Papack up na. Dito kami ngayon sa Mamay bago umalis sina Tia Carling. Mga taga-US ay magpapaalam muna sa Mamay. Binigyan pa ng chocolate ang Mamay, oh.
Sabihin kayo
Nay, anong sabihin niyo sa Mamay?
Mamay.
Aha.
I love you.
Namimiss niyo Mamay?
Miss ko na ikaw.
Asay!
Oo, talaga. Hindi mo nakagusto.
Walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the
Wala tayo palang dalang upuan.
complete.
Ito, hindi pala kompleto. Marami. Ang daming bisita ng Mamay. Ay, Mamay.
Getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin.